If you want to use Gemini on a Xiaomi 17, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to activate it. One of the ways is to simply press and hold the power button on the right side of the phone. If you do this for the first time, of course you will see any information about the power button itself, but of course you can just tap on no thanks in order to try again. And from now on you should be able to easily activate Gemini. And as you can see here, the microphone is also automatically enabled, so whatever you say out loud to Gemini, it should provide you the feedback, it should provide you the response based on the prompt that you of course give. And besides that, you can of course disable the microphone if you want to. You can start typing instead. We have this plus button that allows you to attach some files or use the camera and so on and so forth. And there is also the share screen option with Live. Live is an additional feature of Gemini where we can have like a proper conversation with Gemini, where we can just talk to it, discuss the things and so on and so forth. So if you have something that is interesting on your screen that you want to know about, that you want to discuss about, then of course you can activate this feature. Besides that, Gemini can be activated simply by using the app. It should be pre-installed on your phone. If you open it, we can start typing our prompt. We can of course activate the microphone again. Here we have this live button over here and our additional options that we can use, like for example, create image, create music, and so on and so forth. Besides that, if you use gestures for navigation, let me actually switch to gestures real quick. There we go. You can activate Gemini by swiping from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards, so something like this. This allows you to also activate Gemini. Of course, we can use a widget as well. So if I, let's say, press and hold my finger on an empty space on the home screen, I should be able to go to widgets. Now over here, we should be able to proceed to either Android widgets, or here we can probably find the Google Gemini widget immediately. So we can use it on our phone, and there we go. I can of course activate Gemini by using this widget too, and of course the bigger the widget is, the more additional options we have available. So as you can see, we have a shortcut to the video option, the screen share, and live if you want to use them straight away. And last but not least, we can also activate Gemini with our voice. Of course, first we need to turn this option on, we need to set it up. So if you want to do that, we need to go back to the Gemini app, tap on your Google account in the upper right corner, and then over here you should be able to proceed to settings. And then over here in the Gemini settings, you want to choose talk to Gemini hands-free, and we can activate Hey Google, which is of course the phrase that is used to activate, to wake up Gemini. And if you turn it on for the first time, you will have to say a couple of sentences out loud, but that is fairly simple. You can just simply read whatever you have on your screen, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.